To be honest, I am worried for Azuka. He tends to forget the bridge, which is the major part of the song. Because if you forget the bridge of the song, the fall is ruined.
Oh, my biggest fear at this stage is my singing partner because he doesn't know the song, and so he's mixing a lot of lyrics up. So I fear he's going to maybe lose it on stage, and it's worrying, which he didn't know. I couldn't believe someone would not know Labyrinth Jealous.
I missed some words, and when my partner missed some words, I tried to cover him up. But I was trying to cover up all the flaws, but it still didn't work out because the energy, the togetherness wasn't there. We don't really connect, the both of us. Nah.
Feeling today?
I'm feeling so nice.
Whoa, talk to me. What's the problem? What's happening?
Somebody
troubling you?
I've seen every other person with their partners, doing the dance and the rest, and my partner is feeling down. It's affecting me too.
Okay, well, that's an early feedback for me.
Initially, we were rehearsing together, but suddenly he was just so disconnected, and that kills the mood. I tried asking what was happening, and he didn't just want to talk to me. I know this is a duet, that's where it is. I don't want to be a reason he doesn't perform well, and it shouldn't also be the reason. But his mood is affecting mine.
Yeah, I'm trying my best, but then I'm not seeing it in her. And this time she's supposed to rehearse with me, but instead she's just doing something else instead of rehearsing with me, and she's just dancing, and it's not encouraging.